Before the video starts, make sure to subscribe for lots of amazing videos. G'day everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making this beautiful breakfast. This is my favourite breakfast and I can't wait to actually eat it. Anyway, what you're going to want to have is some rolled oats. And now, the special ingredients, some beautiful apple stew. Now if you haven't seen me make this beautiful apple stew, make sure to check out the video in one of these corners. You're going to enjoy. Anyway, some shredded coconut. Oh yes. Some beautiful walnuts. That's going to bring that beautiful flavour in. Some natural Greek yogurt. And then some strawberries. Let's go ahead and make it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your yogurts and just get lots of yogurt on in the middle. So you sort of want to cover the oats with the yogurt. Beautiful. Okay, that's enough. Next, it's time to get your beautiful apple stew. Go ahead and put that in the middle. A bit more apple stew because why not? Do you know what? It's so tasty, and it's bad to put things to waste. So yeah, yes. Okay, now it's time to get your shredded coconuts. Just sprinkle it on a bit. Perfect. Now for some walnuts. Now with walnuts, you see, a little secret of mine is if they're like all whole, you want to sort of crush them up to make them a bit smaller. Makes them just a little bit tastier, as you can see. Put them on top. Just a bit more. Crush them up. Perfect. Now for some strawberries. Beautiful. And that's it. Simple, easy and delicious. I must try this. Let's get a bit of everything in. A bit of strawberry, a bit of apple stew, a bit of yogurt. Believe it or not, that's healthy and delicious. You guys must try it. It's so tasty and so easy to make. And you see this? See the colour of the strawberry? It's red. If that subscribe button is the colour of the strawberry, make sure to make it grey. I want to see that subscribe button a mouldy strawberry. And once it's grey, turn on notifications so that you never miss an upload. Thank you, and goodbye.